Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So being a creator, you're going to have to learn a lot of new things, and a lot of that is actually drawn from your experiences. And so today I'm going to be talking about why traveling is important as a creator. Now, this is just my own perspective, and so if you are somebody who doesn't like to travel, then this might not apply to you. And for me, I think it's extremely important, not only as a creator, but just as a person as well, because the world is a huge place. I mean, there's over 7 billion people in the world. There's so many cultures, so many different communities, cities, and of course the beautiful sights that we have around the world. And of course, not everything is perfect. You know, there's going to be a lot of bad things as well. However, the whole experience of traveling, it really gives you, I think, a much broader perspective of what the world has to offer, and also the realities that other people face. And whenever you do get that chance to travel and experience all these things, it really will change your viewpoints of things. And as a creator, it will allow you to see things from a different perspective. And most importantly, at the end, it allows you to draw from these experiences. Because I really think there's a big difference between experiencing something on the internet, through TV, through movies, and then actually being there yourself. Because that's something that you cannot really replicate at all, no matter how much you read about it or you learn about it. Just being there is a completely different experience, and it's something that you could take with you for the rest of your life. And as a creator, it allows you to be, I think, more creative, because it stimulates your mind, and it allows you also to get excited about things, because after a certain point, we all get used to the settings that we're at and the certain environments, and a lot of times our brain just gets bored. And so that's the other side of it, because it's just simply fun. And so those are my thoughts on traveling as a creator. I feel it's extremely important, and it's going to help you in so many ways. And so if you had any thoughts on this, if you are a creator, or maybe you're thinking about creating, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.